Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mike. Welcome back to the channel. As y'all can hear, I'm back at the range. I want to put some more time in with my Gucci Glock build. It was yesterday was crazy, yo. So let me play back what happened. Yesterday I came to the range, got here, pulled out the GoPro and everything, hit the record. No card in that junk.
Surprise, motherfucker.
I'm like, so I ain't really get to film nothing yesterday, so I wanted to definitely come up here and show y'all some more stuff, what I actually did to the gun, and let y'all see me actually shoot it since I put on some of the mods. Let's go up in this junk, grab some more ammo. What up, bruh? Fellas? What's up, bro?
Yeah.
What's going on, big dog? You already know. Finally, hey, I got the card in here now, so I can record. I'll probably want to do. Let me see. Probably like 150 rounds. Y'all rent guns? You know we was talking about that suppressor yesterday. I wanna think I might. Yeah, man. That joint right there.
Your gun ain't traded already.
You shoot my gun if you want to rip mine.
Yeah, you can get his gun and put a can on it. His go up. He got a 19.
Cool, yeah. Like I said, I was just trying to. Oh man, yeah. The Gucci glocked up right there.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh hell yeah! That's why I'm like, I seen that shit. I was like, yeah, I want to goddamn.
It's ready to operate.
Yeah.
Flashlight, right that on.
Hell yeah. Y'all let me know down in the comments. Should I get a suppressor for my shit? Woo! Shit, nice shit.
That's beautiful.
Oh hell yeah.
God damn! Thanks, Noob Noob. This guy gets it.
Yeah, that shit was loud as hell, huh?
No, it wasn't loud. A fireball would come out of the end. I just happened to catch a glimpse of it out the window, and it was about that long, and it looked like it about knocked it out of his hand.
Oh hell no! Yeah, I'm good on that. I don't even need to shoot nothing that's going.
It was either that
Hell
or Smith & Wesson 500.
Yeah, my homeboy, he had
You need a receipt.
No, I'm good. My homeboy, he had a Smith & Wesson 500, and I'm like, bruh, if a handgun has a sling on it, that shit's too big, bro.
That's what she said.
What do you need that shit for, bro? Like he pulled it out. He was like, "Yo, yeah." I'm like, bro, you look like the Joker, yo, from Batman. Like that shit's fucking big as fuck. Like, why do you need that? When I bought this joint, dude, it took old buddy like forever to get the pin out. Like, and I tried yesterday, and I could not, like, I couldn't ping it out for shit. The big pin.
Trigger pin?
Yeah, cause I was trying to put my release on it.
Release?
Yeah, and I was just like, I couldn't.
Put it in for you?
I mean, if you can get that pin out, it took the dude forever. And yesterday I was like, where? Bro, I was doing that shit all yesterday, bro.
It's alright, man.
It's moving.
No.
That's why I was like, damn, man, what kind of? I was like,
I'll show you how to fix that though. We gotta fix your hammer.
I'm waiting. Like I said, I'm waiting for my my sights come in.
You ever seen that guy's YouTube video?
Pulls.
The guy he's doing something on a clock, and he's like, and when all else fails, and he reaches in,
He get a big
ass hammer, and he's like, the kitchen sink always fixes it.
Yeah, man. Like I said, I was having so much trouble yesterday with that shit, and fine. But yeah, man, you don't want to go back to the original shit when you got some shit like this, though. What y'all boys over there shooting, man? For sure. That's what's up, man.
What you got? You got solids?
Yeah, I just rented it from over there, cause I'm thinking about buying one. So
the silences ain't illegal?
Nah, you gotta put in, it's like for a license form and shit.
Okay. What's that right there?
It's a Glock, Gen 3, Glock 19 Gen.
That what old boy was just telling me. He said because of the Hellcat, I was looking at it.
Yeah.
I like it. The recoil though. He said we'll go with the Glock 19.
Yeah, I mean this shit shoot pretty smooth, man. It ain't got no crazy kickback or nothing.
You
Like
I probably like that better. Did they have some? They had one of those?
I don't know if they had one particularly in there, but I
How
think,
much yours cost?
I think I got this for like $560.
Oh, okay.
So, but yeah, like I said, I was thinking about getting me one of these like this. So,
Man, hey, y'all seen a silencer before? I have. So you say you rent that out there?
Yeah. You can rent. Yeah, you can rent guns out of there and shit. Like I said, I was thinking about I wanted to get one, so I'm like, let me see. This goddamn wind about to blow this bitch away. Damn, I don't need this bitch to fall. I swear to God, I'm gonna be pissed off. So. See how this suppressor, this motherfucker, bro. This bitch goddamn so hard. Whoo! Look at that bitch. What y'all think, y'all? Let me know down in the comments. Should I get one of these babies? Ooh, put that dot on it. Man, that bitch nice. That bitch so goddamn nice. See, his mag release is way better than mine. Got that happy stick too. This shit is for pure look and goddamn shit at the range, cause this bitch is not practical to have on with you at any point. Like, unless you got you an AR pistol or some shit, yeah, bro. There's no reason to have that shit in a fucking normal Glock.
All these two guns, the same mags, so they're all interchangeable.
Said repetition.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure like.
Alright. Let's go back to this baby right here, yo. This bitch so goddamn nice.
Bro, you're trash, bro. Is them tears, bro? Where you going, bro? Bro, you're trash, bro. Bro, you're trash, bro. Bro, come on, bro. Come on, bro.
What's the matter?
Put the big stick in his mouth.
Unfortunately, that's all that I know about. Not be much fun to practice at this thing. It's too.
This shit is crazy, yo, cause like I'm really not hitting shit with this suppressor. Like I don't know if it's me lining the sights up wrong or what. Let's try this suppressor again, yo. I don't know if I'm just not lining the sights up right. But I need to work on my accuracy. This shit is horrible. I don't know, man. I like the suppressor. I'm not hitting shit, though. Like, it's ridiculous.
Damn!
I don't know, guys. It's starting to come off. Like, I don't know, man. Shit's starting to come off. I might have to go to the next best thing is stippling.
Excuse me.
Good, man. Oh, shit. Goddamn wind, boy.
That kind of jams.
Here's here. This bitch about to fly away. We're gonna have to cut the vlog short today, y'all. I'm probably gonna have to get back with y'all when I'm in the whip or when I get back to the crib, because this shit hella windy. I'm not trying to break my. What's going on, bruh? Yo. don't know, man. I won't hit shit with this motherfucker, bro.
Oh, that's pressure. Yeah, so what it changes.
I probably should have told you that.
Yeah, cause I'm like, yo, why the fuck am I shooting so high? Like,
Yeah, it changes your POI, so.
I'm like looking in the dot. I'm like, yo, I'm not hitting anything close to what. Yeah, that shit was weird. I was like, I don't know, man. I don't know if this is right for me.
Oh my god, did you hear that?
Yeah, the carbon.
Damn, is that something I did? What I
No,
did?
it's just shooting it.
You broke that can, man. You got a bite.
Damn, man. That's cold. I don't know if I'm ready for that yet, man.
Yeah, you need to buy one.
Yeah, I mean, I do want to buy one though. I mean, I like how it feels. I was just not hitting shit though. I was just
like once you sight it in with the suppressor on it, it works a lot.
Yeah, cause I'm sitting there like.
Because this is sighted in for like me to
Just
carry.
okay,
know, so
yeah.
Like if you go shoot it now, you'll hit everything out there.
That's what I was like, yo, why the fuck? Yeah, okay, so I'm not crazy, or I thought I was a bad aim, anyways. Hey, what's going on YouTube? So I'm back at the crib, and like I was saying, yo, like throughout the time while I was shooting with the suppressor, I wish I would have known that the sight was not set for the suppressor, because I'm shooting the whole time and I'm like shooting dumb. I'm like, I'm not even close. Like, what is going on? So I don't know, guys. Like, I like how it felt in my hand. I like the suppressor. I just wanted to come back and recap with y'all just on a couple things that, you know, from when I was out there. Like I said, that grip, that shit came off. And I told y'all my hands be sweating, so I'm pretty sure that's what it was. So what I'm thinking about doing here in the near future is sending my gun off to get stippled. That's probably gonna be one of my next things that I'm gonna do is research on who I'm gonna get to stipple it. Cause like I said, I need that particular grip on my gun because like I said, my hands sweat. So if some shit pop off, I don't need to be worrying about if my hands sweating, am I gonna have a good grip on the gun? So that, like I said, I'm trying to get better shooting, y'all. Like dude said it at the other range, like if you don't practice that shit, yeah. So like I said, and I'm gonna be practicing this shit often, y'all. So like I said, this probably gonna be in one of the playlists where I'm, you know what I'm saying, doing more gun related stuff and stuff like that. Just let me know in the comments, you know what I'm saying, if this is like some content that y'all like to see. So until next time, y'all, definitely go hit the subscribe button if y'all already haven't. Definitely hit that post notification and tell somebody about it. Share it. Till next time, holla.